What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a part of speech that takes the place of a noun, person, place, thing, or idea, or noun phrase. Pronouns function as nouns. They can be subjects, direct objects, indirect objects, objects of a preposition, and more. The noun the pronoun refers to is called the antecedent. In this example sentence, Ian is the antecedent and the pronoun he is used later in the sentence to refer back to Ian. The antecedent does not need to be included within the same sentence as the pronoun. When utilizing pronouns, it should be clear what the antecedent of the pronoun is to avoid any confusion. Take this example. Eve loved watching her brother's dog as she was able to go to the park. Is confusing. Is she referring to Eve or the dog? Let's rephrase the sentence so it is clear. Eve loved being able to spend the day in the park when she watched her brother's dog. Now it's clear. She refers to Eve. These rules ensure the appropriate use of pronouns. Use a singular pronoun with a singular noun. Plural nouns require plural pronouns. The singular noun Leo requires a singular pronoun he. The noun phrase Nicole and Gina is plural, so we use the plural pronoun they. Another rule relates to gender. Male nouns require male pronouns, and female nouns use female pronouns. When referring to the male Stephen, use the male pronoun he, like in the first example. In the second example, the female name Grace uses the female pronoun she. The most common pronouns include he, her, I, it, me, she, them, they, us, and you. There are many different types of pronouns used in both writing and speech in the English language. These pronoun categories include possessive, personal, indefinite, relative, intensive, reflexive, reciprocal, interrogative, demonstrative. Possessive pronouns indicate that someone owns or possesses something. There are two types of possessive pronouns, independent and dependent. Independent possessive pronouns reference a noun already established within a sentence, which means they are typically positioned toward the end of a sentence. These pronouns include hers, his, mine, theirs, ours, and yours. Dependent possessive pronouns function as adjectives and precede the noun in a sentence. These pronouns include her, his, its, my, our, their, and your. A personal pronoun typically takes the place of a proper noun that refers to a person or people. These pronouns include first person, I, me, we, us. Second person, you. Third person, she, her, he, him, it, they, them. While pronouns generally refer to a specific person, place, or thing, indefinite pronouns make a broader reference and do not refer to a particular noun. Examples of these pronouns include anyone, everything, nobody, and something. Relative pronouns connect phrases and clauses to a noun or another pronoun. The clause or phrase modifies the noun that the pronoun connects. Relative pronouns include who, whom, whose, which, and that. These words are considered both intensive and reflexive pronouns. While intensive and reflexive pronouns share the same words, they serve different functions in a sentence. An intensive pronoun references back to the subject of a sentence. Their main purpose is to emphasize the action of the subject, which tends to be unexpected or surprising. An intensive pronoun can be removed from the sentence without altering the sentence's meaning. The students wanted to organize graduation themselves. A reflexive pronoun references back to the subject of the sentence like this. The students found themselves organizing their graduation. Removing a reflexive pronoun from a sentence breaks the sentence. Reciprocal pronouns refer to two or more people who are the subject of the sentence and express a mutual relationship. There are two reciprocal pronouns, each other and one another. Tiana and Chantel helped each other. Interrogative pronouns are found in sentences that ask a question. They take the place of the unknown information in the sentence. For example, who is going? Do you know when? The words who, whom, what, which, when, and whose are the most common interrogative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns point to something specific within a sentence. They are meant to identify a noun's position as near or far in both space and time. The pronouns this, that, these, and those are demonstrative. For example, this dog, those trees, please throw that away.